If you were tricked into getting a free CV with an online generator, but now you're facing a payment, otherwise you'll get watermarks on it, just download it for free. Here's how to remove them. For a successful job application, you need two things for sure: a nice CV and a headshot. Let's see how to quickly get CV-ready headshots from photos you already have. So first of all, get a photo of yourself ready. Something where you're facing the camera, smiling, or in a neutral way. It can also be within a group photo if people aren't too close to you. Then, download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com and find the batch image editor tool. Import your photo and then follow these steps. First of all, crop your image in a 1:1 or 2:3 aspect ratio, basically from your chest up. Then move on to the AI image enhancement to give back some detail that might have been lost due to the cropping. Finally, we're going to replace the background so it fits a CV headshot better. For this, go to the background replacer option. Here, choose a background that can either be a plain color, a template, or a custom photo. This time I'll go with this image I grabbed from Pexels.com. Alright, the photo is done. All's left is exporting. So click here on the settings button and choose your output folder and then your output format. Finally, click on export. And your photo is done. Okay, moving on, let's see what you can do if your online generated CV has watermarks on it. For this task, open the image watermark remover tool. Import your image. If your CV is in PDF, first quickly go over to the image converter tool and convert your PDF file into an image. Next, on the right side, this can automatically detect different kinds of elements in an image and remove them automatically, such as watermarks. So select the watermark option here. If you're working on multiple images simultaneously because, I don't know, you're fixing CVs for your friends as well, click on apply to all here. Otherwise, choose an output folder and click on export. Wait until the process is finished. And now here is the result. As you can see, the watermarks are gone, making this CV ready to be submitted. Alright, that's it for this video. If it was helpful, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.